bedtime routine is. Counting sheep, brushing teeth, pajamas, dinner. What should we do first? It's dinner time. Tap the food to help me finish. I can't wait for dinner. Tap the meal to eat it. Great job. Dinner smells delicious. Tap the meal to eat it. Dinner was delicious. We're getting closer to bedtime. Time to brush my teeth. Slide a toothbrush into my hand. Well done. Rub your finger where the toothpaste should go. Excellent. Now scrub my teeth to brush them. Rinse my teeth by tapping the water cup. Sparkling white. That sure was fun. You did so well. Let's keep going. It's pajama time. Tap on a drawer to open it and choose pajamas. I love that. So cozy. Good eye. All the pieces of my pajamas match. They'll keep me cozy all night. That was fun. What's next? Sometimes I like to count sheep to help me fall. That's 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3. There's 4. 5 sheep. 6. 7 little sheep. 8. 9 sheep. And 10. Good job. I'm already feeling sleepy. Great job. Now that our bedtime routine is done, we're ready for dreamland. Good night.